Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of a Faiuot Portable Welding Machine. Faiuot Portable Welding Machine have revolutionized the way welding tasks are approached, proving to be indispensable tools in a diverse array of settings. These compact, versatile devices cater to both DIY enthusiasts and professional tradespeople, facilitating a wide range of applications from light repairs to intricate metalwork. The significance of portable welding machines can be evaluated by their convenience and functionality, particularly in environments where traditional welders may prove cumbersome or less feasible. One of the primary advantages of Faiuot Portable Welding Machine is their lightweight design, which enhances maneuverability. With the ability to transport these machines effortlessly, individuals can engage in various projects at different locations without being limited by power source availability or heavy equipment logistics. This feature is especially valuable for those involved in mobile welding services, as it allows for quick deployment in various job sites, ultimately increasing productivity. Moreover, the versatility of Faiuot Portable Welding Machine ensures compatibility with different welding processes, such as MIG, TIG, and stick welding. As a result, users can adapt these machines to meet the specific requirements of each project, providing flexibility across applications. Whether working on automotive repairs, artistic metal sculptures, or household renovations, a Faiuot Portable Welding Machine stands out as an effective solution for skilled and novice welders alike. In addition to their core functionalities, many portable welding machines now come equipped with features such as auto-darkening goggles, which enhance safety and efficiency during operation. This integration of technology not only protects the welder's eyesight but also streamlines the welding process by allowing the user to focus on the task at hand without needing to adjust their visor manually. In summary, the introduction of portable welding machines marks a significant advancement in the field, paving the way for more accessible and effective welding practices in various environments. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.